The Poly Studio E70 is a first-of-its-kind, intelligent camera that brings top-tier video quality, state-of-the-art audio features, and advanced analytics to modern meeting rooms. Dual cameras with 4K sensors are boosted by PolyDirector AI technology to create an unparalleled video experience, perfect for hybrid working environments. With a 25-foot camera range, the Poly Studio E70 works best in medium to large rooms. To set up, simply connect the USB cable on the Poly Studio E70 to one of the available USB ports on the main conferencing system. Then, plug in the Power over Ethernet cord. You have the option to order a power outlet adapter separately. The Poly Studio E70 comes with a wall mount. You can also separately purchase a display clamp or display mount. The Poly Studio E70 can be mounted either above or below the monitor. Please follow the instructions included with your mounting kit. For use with Windows-based Microsoft Teams rooms, download PolyLens Desktop in order to access all device features. Now, let's go over the Poly Studio E70's main features. The integrated privacy shutter opens when the system wakes up or is in a call, but remains closed at all other times. The Poly Studio E70 has two 4K cameras, one wide-angle and one narrow. This dual-camera design allows us to cover a large room without the limitations of traditional optical zoom lenses, as well as provide high production quality group framing and speaker tracking. Speaker tracking is assisted by a beam-forming microphone array. For Windows-based Microsoft Teams rooms, enable speaker tracking and group framing through PolyLens Desktop. For Poly G7500, enable through the web interface. After connecting the Poly Studio E70 to your Poly G7500 or Poly Windows-based Microsoft Teams room, the camera controls are available via the connected touch controller. For more information, visit poly.com/studio-E70.